Welcome to my channel, and thank you for joining me today as we discuss the ultimate guide to thriving on YouTube. As a professional YouTuber with many years of experience, I've discovered the ins and outs of the platform, and I'm here to share my tips and tricks to help you succeed. Setting up your channel. First things first, let's talk about setting up your channel for success. The first thing to keep in mind is your channel niche. What do you want to talk about, and what sets you apart from the sea of YouTube creators? Focus on what you're passionate about and what you're knowledgeable about, and you're already ahead of many other channels. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to create your channel. Make sure you have an eye-catching profile picture and a banner that represents your channel. Your channel's overall look and feel should be cohesive, and it should accurately represent the content you create. Additionally, ensure your channel is user-friendly by organizing it into playlists and creating eye-catching thumbnails. Creating engaging content. Now let's talk about creating engaging content. The most important thing to keep in mind when creating content is to make it authentic. Your audience can sense when you're not being genuine, so always create content that is true to you. Additionally, create content that is educational, entertaining, or inspiring, and make sure your video's title is catchy and attention-grabbing. Another tip for creating engaging content is to keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are shorter than ever, and you want to ensure that your viewer stays engaged throughout the entire video. Lastly, don't forget to add a call to action at the end of your video. Encourage your viewer to subscribe, like, and share your content. Growing your channel. Now let's talk about growing your channel. One huge component of growing your channel is consistency. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Additionally, interact with your audience through comments, social media, and live streams. Being approachable and engaging with your audience helps to build a loyal following. Another tip for growing your channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This allows you to tap into their audience and increases your visibility. Lastly, stick with it. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and patience. Keep creating quality content and focusing on your niche, and the subscribers will come.